Welcome back to the shop. I've got a little update to show you while my video finishes up. We've got the number 8. You can see some wear on this rod bearing. So that was causing some issues. Same with number 7. The rest of them don't look too bad. Pretty standard. A couple of gouges and some of the ones up front. But the real issue was the main bearings. Here's the one on the back where the oil pump goes. That's not too bad. Then we go to the next one up. Ooh, look at that. That looks horrible. That's probably the worst of it. And then let's go one more up. And you can see right there, that's not looking good either. And then the last that's showing wear is this guy right here. Second one back. Some wear on the corners. So that one's pretty beat up. Didn't spin a bearing though. Front one, not too bad. It's got some grooves. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're working with right now. So I'm going to drop all this stuff off at the machine shop. And when my other video finishes up, I will post it as soon as I can. But, you know, here's the block all stripped down to nothing. You know, we didn't spin any bearings, so that's a good thing. The bore cross hatching is decent. You got some scoring from the piston skirts here. Pretty much the same on every one. So she was working hard, that's for sure. So I'm not sure what we're going to do, if we're going to end up having to bore it out or if we can get a light hone on it. That'd be good, but in the meantime, gotten everything all boxed up and ready to ship out. And as you can see, it's going to take about an hour and 14 minutes for the second version of this compilation on taking this engine apart to be finished. So I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to stay tuned for some more updates on this build. When we get it back from the machine shop, we'll put it all back together, get it in the car, and go for a test drive. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.